My video went viral on Instagram, and that is because I am exposing the wealthy elite billionaire business class as to what they're actually trying to do right now in society. Specifically in relation to the attacks that they're performing on us as a species, as well as what we're seeing in the Western world, what we're seeing in the Middle East, what we're seeing in the Asiatic countries. BlackRock is looking to completely deplatform the United States dollar, which would throw us into an economic recession. This ties perfectly with the Pluto return of America because right now they're trying to force a civil war. I talked about this in my book about 4 or 5 years ago, Psychosmos. It's an 800-page book. You can go check that out if you're interested. But now they're going to continue to apply the pressure because what they want to do is control the narrative. Specifically, the story that they're trying to hide from you is the story built within your biology. It's also the story that we project onto everything psychologically. Once a month, this has been called the sacred secretion or the Christos or the chrism. Light of specific frequency, depending on your frequency of your soul, depending on a lot of other factors, enters through the eye, activating the suprachiasmatic nucleus, which then activates the claustrum, which then forces the pituitary gland to secrete biochemicals. From there, the body takes exosomes, it takes cholesterol, lipid nanoparticles, and through CSF within the body, circulating at all times, it essentially refurbishes the body by bringing this energy down. The genitals, if you're celibate, hypercharge this process, and then you bring it back up into your brain, which rejuvenates you. This story is analogous with the birth and death of Christ. He starts here around the mid-center in Bethlehem, travels down into the wilderness to fight and conquer Satan, travels back up to Mount Tabor, which means navel, and then has the Last Supper. He is betrayed, arrested, crucified, and he is killed in Golgotha Calvary, which then it lays dormant for 3 days and ascends. This is the exact same story, and it's found cross-culturally. You can actually study this story cross-culturally worldwide, and it's got many names. But this process, which reactivates dormant brain cells, reproliferates stem cells, and also activates mitosis, cytokinesis within our body, this allows us to continue to live and refurbish and succeed and grow and change as human beings. It is a very potent, very powerful aspect of our being. If you've never heard of this or you're just starting to get into this, I did write a dissertation on this process, so come work with me if you're interested. I do one-on-one coaching, but if you want something more affordable, I highly advise going to look at my online university, Psychosmos University, or you can go check out my AI tool called Astraya. Both of these are great for working on this process and just understanding esoteric wisdom on a deeper level. I love you guys. Stay safe out there and come work with me if you need help and if you're interested.